What's up? We're back. It's been a lull for Chris and I, but we're back. I'm gonna do a dip today. We started off with I was gonna do a blue crab dip. Forgot to get the blue crab. Now I'm doing a shrimp. I'm gonna get that in the pot with a lot of garlic and butter, par cook it, get it in a bowl with some sour cream, cream cheese, Give these a nice little chop. Get them in some butter and garlic. I wish I had some spinach, but I don't have that either. And I've already done my crostinis over there. Thinly sliced baguette rounds. Toasted those in the oven for about 10 minutes with some olive oil. Get my cast iron on medium. Get some butter in there. Half a stick. Give my garlic a quick chop. I have 2 bulbs here, which are about 30 cloves. I'm gonna get all my garlic in. If you want people to think you just really are cooking, and you just ordered in, just cook some butter and garlic. Put that on the back of the stove. And I'm gonna get my shrimp in. We're gonna cook all that shrimp. And then my favorite salt right now is this Parmesan basil salt. We don't want to fully cook this because we're gonna bake it, so we don't want it overcooked. Get some more chili flakes up in here. I'm going for more on the spicier side of things. Basil flakes and a little Old Bay. So when we put it with all the cheesy, artichoke-y deliciousness, it's gonna be the perfect bite for each of our cracker. So here I have a bowl. I'm gonna get cream cheese, sour cream, and finely cut up some green onion. Really fine. I'm gonna save the green for garnish at the end, but I'm gonna put all the white part of the onion. Now I'm gonna pour this just delicious mixture in. I want all that juice in too. I'm gonna put a little bit of stone ground mustard. You can use fresh artichoke, but I like to use the ones that are seasoned in oil. And I'm gonna just cut off the ends like that. Go right in. And artichokes are so good with seafood. So we're going back into the same pot that I cooked it in. Then I have extra sharp cheddar. Just gonna cover. And then this will go in the oven for about 15 minutes. And you got the easiest, technically 1 pot dip with those fire crostinis over there. Just get you 1 baguette bread, 2 pounds of shrimp. Take some of my parsley, just like a handful. All right, I'm going on top. And then that's gonna go in the oven on 350 degrees for about 15 minutes. Yes, this is beautiful. See all the crust of the cheese on the corners, the edges. Go over with some green onion. And here I have all of my crostinis. Gather them all. My little cast iron. I cannot wait to try this. See, I'm seeing all of this let's go in. Yeah. Shrimp, artichoke, green onion. Ooh, drippy. Ah. Kind of crazy. The cream cheese, the sour cream, the shrimp, garlic, tons of garlic in here. Really sets it off. The spice level, and then that sharp cheddar, white cheddar. Wow. It's really good. It's a dip. It's a good one. Oh wow, okay. Oh, how do I get out of this? Come here. Thoroughly happy with how this came out. If you want this recipe and so many more, we're always shooting stuff. Subscribe to our page. Lock in with us. Check out what we're doing on the regular. And we got more fun stuff coming. We'll see you next time. I mean,
Are you satisfied with it?
it's something else.